welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. Very sad day because it is the last episode of Gem's gift guide and I'm feeling a little bit emotional about it. If you are new here and you're wondering why I'm getting emotional about it being the last episode, that's because I created a little series called Gem's Gift Guide to hopefully give you guys some ideas for what to buy your loved ones this Christmas. I'm going to link the other 5 episodes below for you. I have enjoyed filming this little series so much. Like, I definitely want to get into doing more like series type videos, so if you can think of any ideas of another little series you'd like me to do, then please just comment below because I feel like it's my new favourite thing to do. So as it's the last episode, we're going out with a bang. We are going out with a B&M bang, the best kind of bang. So don't forget, at the end of every single one of my Gem's gift guide episodes, I'm offering a giveaway. So in today's giveaway, chance to win the Christmas Eve box that I've put together and all the contents. So all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up and comment below #GemsGiftGuide. All the winners will be announced on the 27th of November in the video upload on that day. It's going to be a chatty kind of video, either a vlog or a get ready with me, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. You know the drill. I don't need to say it again, but I'm gonna say it again. Make sure you're comfortable, make sure you've got a drink on the go, all the snacks, Christmas candles, preferably Christmas pyjamas, and you're feeling jolly. Let's get straight into the video. Christ, that is hot. Wondering where the Christmas tree has gone? The Grinch has not stolen it, I've just moved it. But what do we think? What do we think of my new Hollywood mirror? Guys, I can remember ever since being like a little girl, I have dreamed of having one of these mirrors. Like, literally, it's been my lifelong dream and it's finally come true. So, Eve boxes, I feel, are like so underrated. I feel like they are such a cute little present for anyone really, for kids, for adults, for boyfriends, for parents, for anyone. So I decided to go back to B&M because after doing my B&M stocking video, I realised that B&M really do offer some amazing gifts for such affordable prices. This was around £25 to create, but obviously you don't need to buy as much stuff as I bought. I just wanted to buy as much as I could to give you guys as much ideas as I could. So I guess for my Christmas Eve box, I've tried to go for like male or female, but there's something in this that is for females, but if you're doing one for a male, you could change that up. The places I found did the best boxes were Matalan. They did a really good actual Christmas Eve box. Tesco's have got some, and B&M have got some, and Poundland actually, I saw a few in those. So depending on how much stuff you want to buy, you want to get like quite a big box. Before I went into, oh my god, I feel like I'm giving you like my life story right now. I'm like, what you're gonna need before I did this. So before I went into B&M, I made a list of things that I like to do on Christmas Eve because I feel like that's what someone would like to receive in a Christmas Eve box. I made a list of like their favourite sweets, a nice drink to have, maybe something to pamper themselves with, some new like pyjamas or something to wake up in Christmas Day on, obviously a Christmas movie. So I've kind of collected a few little bits that I thought would be perfect. First thing I thought would just be absolutely perfect is this cute giant mug set, and it's got hot chocolate in there, a little whisk and some marshmallows in a little pot here. This was £4.99. They did have smaller versions of this for about £3, but I just thought this is like the ultimate cup for Christmas Eve. They had loads of different designs also. I was also thinking as well, if this is for an adult, you could get maybe like their favourite alcoholic drink or something like that, so you could kind of like mix and match the ideas that I'm going to give you today. But I literally could just imagine myself drinking this on Christmas Eve whilst watching a Christmas film. Put me right in the Christmas feels. The next thing I added to the Christmas Eve box were just some Christmassy chocolates because Christmas is all about eating chocolates and sweets and mince pies and pigs in blankets, pretty much. So I thought these were cute. You could always get the person you're buying the Christmas Eve box for favourite sweets, favourite chocolate, favourite crisps, just something I felt like would be nice to like comfort them. Again, they could sit down and eat whilst watching a film. I feel like Christmas Eve is actually my favourite day out of the whole Christmas period. Like, Christmas Eve is just so exciting. It's got such like a cosy comforting, happy feeling about it. Eve, to me, is just even more exciting than Christmas Day. That's why I love the idea of a Christmas Eve box. These were around about, I think they were under £1 each. If you are looking for Christmas chocolates or Christmas sweets to kind of bulk up anyone's presents, B&M is definitely the place to look because they are super cheap. Next thing I picked up is the Christmas Elf Magic Christmas Dust. I would say this is more for kids or maybe like a big kid like me, because if I received this, I would literally be sprinkling this everywhere, like, oh my god, magic Christmas dust. Like, I love stuff like this. This was £1.49. Like I said, perfect for kids. Like, imagine their little faces sprinkling this around on Christmas Eve. Like putting a little carrot in there with maybe a little bow around it, or a little tag saying for Rudolph, and then popping some like Christmas cookies in there for Santa would be such a nice little touch. So the next thing I picked up were these novelty glasses. I just thought these would be fun for Christmas Day. Quite cheesy like that. Like, I love all this kind of Christmas stuff. They had loads of different ones of these. They had Santa ones, Christmas tree ones. They also had beer ones, which would be cool for someone who likes beer. And these were £1.99. Okay, so this is potentially my favourite thing out of the whole box, and it is a make your own gingerbread house kit. I have a little Christmas tradition where about the 23rd of the month, I will always sit down and spend pretty much a whole day making my own gingerbread house, which I'm going to be filming for you guys this year. That will have its own little video. So this was £1.99, and I thought this would be a perfect little thing to sit down and do on Christmas Eve to really get you in the festive spirit, and then you can eat it for breakfast on Christmas morning. So next I picked up a 3-pack of Christmas slipper socks. I feel like these would be perfect for him or her. These on Christmas Day would just be amazing, or Christmas Eve night. Can't go wrong with slipper socks, okay? Everyone loves slipper socks. £3.99, which for 3 really soft cozy pairs I think is an absolute bargain. They've also got like the little ribbon round and stuff, which I just think makes a great present. You could also include like some slippers or something in there. Like, it doesn't necessarily have to be socks. You could include like a Christmassy hot water bottle or something. I always think in a Christmas Eve box you need something comforting. Oh my god. Okay, so these were an absolute bargain. These were £6.99, and you can obviously see you get the top and bottoms of these Christmas pajamas. These are like the same material as the cozy socks, so they're super warm, super cozy. Favourite presents I feel like anyone could get me would 100% be new pyjamas. There is nothing better than the feeling of new pyjamas, especially on Christmas Eve. B&M have got a lot of different pyjamas. They had men's ones, they had women's ones, they had kids ones. They had more of like not this material, like more of a t-shirt material. They've also got quite a lot of elf stuff in there. You know the film Elf? Love that film. They've got a lot of kind of like elf merch in there, so if you've got any lovers of elf in your family, you know where to go. How incredible is this? So I thought this would be absolutely perfect for Christmas movie time. In this pack you get, what flavours are these? I mean, that is the ultimate question, right? Sweet and toffee popcorn. Oh, I love toffee popcorn. In this big tub, and you're gonna feel like you're at the cinema on Christmas Eve, okay? So this was £3.99, which I think is an absolute amazing price. You could also pop some like chocolates in there. I love popcorn and chocolate, like that's my favourite combo. Do you know what I always do? I get a pack of Maltesers and I tip them and mix them with the popcorn, and they almost start to melt and it makes chocolatey popcorn. So I got some of this face mask. I personally always do like a little pamper night on Christmas Eve, just so I feel really nice on Christmas Day. Like, I almost just want everything to be perfect on Christmas Day. I want to feel my best. So I picked up this activated charcoal clay mask. I got it in this tub because this was actually cheaper than the sachets, and you get so much more. If this Christmas Eve box was for someone younger, put like a cute little Christmas bubble bath or a Christmas toothbrush or Christmas toothpaste in the box. That would be so exciting to open your little box and see like all these Christmas things in that you can use on Christmas Eve. Okay, the last thing in the Christmas Eve box is the best Christmas Eve film. What's your guys' favourite Christmas Eve film? Comment below, because I'm a weirdo and I love to know stuff like this. Like, I love to know people's favourite Christmas films. I would say my top favourites are The Grinch, obviously, Elf, Nativity. Oh my god, I love the Nativities. They are so funny. I'm really scared I'm going to forget some. Home Alone, obviously, like they are hands down the best ones, but only 1 and 2. I don't like it when Kevin is no longer in them. Like, Home Alone is not Home Alone without Kevin. Oh my god, Polar Express. Oh, that is such a good film. And another one that's quite nude. Nude? I meant new. Quite nude. Oh my god. Another one that's quite new is called Get Santa, and it's so good. Definitely worth a watch. If you'd like me to create like a Christmas film video, I would definitely be up for that. One of my absolute favourites, which I religiously watch every single Christmas Eve, is Miracle on 34th Street. I feel like this is the coziest film on planet Earth. So this is the only thing that wasn't actually from B&M. This was from Tesco's and it was £5 because B&M didn't have any DVDs, and I'm sure I've seen them in there. B&M, you playing me? That is my Christmas Eve box. So if you would like the chance to win the Christmas Eve box with all the content, and please don't forget to enter my giveaway. All the rules will be in the description box below, and good luck. This is the end of Gem's gift guide series. I feel sad. I honestly feel really sad. I'm also super excited because I have so much more Christmassy videos to show you guys. Next week is obviously Black Friday. If you didn't know, now you know, so it gives you time to prepare. Next week's videos are going to be a little less Christmassy. Emma is turning into the bargain hunter. I have given myself the role to find you guys the best Black Friday deals I can possibly find. So that is what's coming up next week, which is so exciting. I've got a lot of videos next week. We've got an upload on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday and Monday. Oh my god, that is a lot, and they're all going to be Black Friday related. We've got a lot of hauls on the horizon. Right, and then after Black Friday weekend, the normal Christmas videos resume, and I have got so many Christmas videos. So I've got a little weekly vlog going live tomorrow morning at 10, and that's got some little hints of what I'm going to be doing this Christmas. So if you would like to know about Vlogmas and all of that kind of stuff, then have a look at that video tomorrow. I feel like I'm saying goodbye forever. I feel like it's the end of this series and I'm like, goodbye everyone, I'm leaving YouTube and I'm never coming back. I would never leave YouTube. I would never leave you guys, you know that. So I just want to say thank you all so much for all your comments, all your likes, all your just general love on these gift guide videos. I'm so happy you liked them. Like, I am so overwhelmed with all of your love, so thank you so much. Good luck to everyone that entered the giveaways on all 5 videos. Like I said, winner will be announced on the 27th of November, so good luck to all of you. I literally wish all of you could win. So much for being the most amazing people in the entire world and for being the best friends I could literally wish for. You guys are just, you blow me away. You blow me away. I will see you tomorrow at 10 AM. I love you all so much and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.